And by the way, Judge Doug Drummond has ruled that Terrence Crutcher's past drug use and criminal record is inadmissible in this trial because it had no bearing on Officer Shelby's interpretation of their encounter at the time. However, the judge said the helicopter video or audio from that helicopter video of the pilot calling Crutcher a big bad dude is admissible. I'm joined now by our legal expert, Attorney Adam Weintraub, who is studying this case as well, and we're talking about day one of jury selection, some interesting questions on the questionnaire for the potential jurors.
Well, while most of the questionnaire was plain vanilla, what you would see in any trial, there were 4 questions that really captured my attention. The first had to do with whether or not the prospective juror would pay particular attention to what a law enforcement officer said, whether they believed law enforcement officers had a tendency to use force. Those are 2 really inflammatory questions, and I would suspect that those questions are, if answered a certain way, are going to keep a number of jurors from serving.
And the other question is the treatment of African Americans by law officers compared to Caucasians.
You know, it's one of those questions that has to be asked. It's going to be at least mentioned somewhere in the trial. You hate to think that race is going to play a factor, but it would be foolish to think that it's not.
Attorney Adam Weintraub, we will talk about the media's role possibly in this trial as well coming up at 6 o'clock. Thank you so much for joining us.
You bet. Thank you.